Hi everyone and welcome back to Gigi's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious slow cooker chicken and chorizo pasta soup. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious slow cooker chicken and chorizo pasta soup. So this recipe is really easy to prepare and cook, and this is a brilliant dish if you have any leftover chicken or turkey in your fridge or freezer. You may have some leftover turkey from Christmas and this is a great way to eat that up. You can also use ham if you've got any ham in the freezer, or if you've got any pork as well, you could use that in here as well. It's just a great way to use up any leftovers, but you can also use uncooked chicken in this dish as well. We're going to be having this for our dinner this evening because it is so tasty, and of course while I was making it I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious slow cooker chicken and chorizo pasta soup. So I have cut the top and the tail from, or the top and the bottom from a leek, and I've just simply sliced it into 1/2 centimetre pieces. It doesn't really matter how chunky or not chunky it is, but if you like your vegetables chunky then please cut them bigger. If you don't then you can cut them smaller, that's fine. And then I have also removed the seeds from a butternut squash, and I have peeled it and I've cut it into about 1 centimetre piece, I think. We like to have our vegetables quite small in our dinners. I just find people eat them more if they're smaller, to be honest with you. And then I have also peeled and diced a carrot as well, and again I've cut that into about 1 centimetre pieces. And then I peeled and diced a courgette as well, and I cut that into about 1 centimetre pieces as well. And I'm going to put all of these ingredients into my slow cooker pot, but I have forgotten to tell you that I also peeled and sliced 2 cloves of garlic as well. So I'm just going to put those into my slow cooker pot like so. And then I have the chorizo here. So I would add the chorizo at the beginning. If you like your chorizo quite crunchy then you can fry it off a little bit before you put it in here. And if you are using uncooked chicken then I would say that this is the point where you would add the uncooked chicken in. So I'm going to put about 120 grams of chorizo into this dish. The reason I'm only putting 120 in is because the dinner is for Ted, Howard and myself, so my husband, son and myself, and I'm just basically basing it on that. My son will eat a lot of chorizo, so that's why I'm putting in that much. He is only little, but he will eat a lot of chorizo. But the original recipe said it serves 4 people, so I think it was 160 in the original recipe. So I'm just going to put that into my slow cooker pot as well. And then I've got about 800 mils of chicken stock here. You can use chicken stock, you could use vegetable stock if you want to, or you could use bone broth as well. So I've got about 800 mils, and I'm just going to pour this in like so. And then I've got to go and get a spoon for my herbs and my tamari as well. Grabbed myself a spoon and I've got some tamari here. I'm going to put about a tablespoon or 2 of tamari in here. This is fermented soya sauce, so it's fermented for a little bit longer than soya sauce. You can buy this in most local supermarkets, but if you can't get it then you can always use soya sauce if you want to. It's also gluten-free and that's why I tend to use it. And I'm also going to add in some dried mixed herbs to this as well. So I'm going to add in a teaspoon of dried mixed herbs. And then I've got some oregano as well that I want to add in, or oregano depending on which continent you're standing, as I always say. So I'm going to add that in as well. And I will stir these ingredients round, but I'm just going to grab some salt and pepper before I do that. So I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt to that and a little bit of pepper as well. So I'm just going to add in like a pinch of pepper. We like spice, but we don't like it too spicy in this house, so I only add little bits of everything. If you want to add more salt and pepper to yours, then you can. And I'm just going to mix these ingredients round like so. And then I'm going to put the lid on. And I'm going to cook this for about 2 to 3 hours on high. But if you want it for less, you want to cook it for a longer period, then you can put it on 5 to 6 hours on low. The soup has cooked, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cooked pasta to this. So as I said earlier, I'm making this for about 2.5 people, well 2 3/4. So I have cooked enough pasta just for us, so I'm just going to put that in. And I've also got enough chicken in here just for us. I think in the original recipe I said 500 grams of cooked or uncooked chicken. So I'm just going to stir those ingredients round like so. Oh, this smells really good, I have to say. And that is our dinner done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to serve myself some into a bowl like so. And there it is. That is a slow cooker chicken and chorizo pasta soup. That's how you make my delicious slow cooker chicken and chorizo pasta soup. And that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be having this for my dinner this evening and it smells so good, I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.